These two niches are blowing up right now on YouTube, generating mind-blowing number of views on a daily basis. Look at this. 23 million views 2 weeks ago, 4.9, almost 5 million views 10 days ago, 4.3 million views 11 days ago, 1.6 million views 12 days ago. These niches are AI niches, which means anybody can do it. Guess what? This channel started a few weeks ago, only 4 weeks ago. Look at this. 126,000 subscribers with only 25 videos. Now look at when this channel posted the first ever video on this channel 4 weeks ago. So this channel is only 4 weeks old and has gotten over 126,000 subscribers with only 25 videos. Not only that, here's yet another channel that is doing same thing with only 15 videos, has over 3,000 subscribers. Look at the massive number of views a channel with only 3,000 subscribers is getting. 190,000, 160,000, 90,000 plus. My goodness. Now, there are actually two of these niches that are trending right now. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel that grows really fast and makes money for you, these two niches are definitely something you need to jump on right now. Not only are they getting a lot of views, they're also making a lot of money. What's more interesting is that these niches are AI niches, which means anybody can start it right now after watching this video. Now, if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how to create these videos using your smartphone. Simple, easy. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel, I teach you how to start, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel. All the strategies, tips, and hacks to help you get views and subscribers. So if this is the kind of thing you love, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get updated each time I publish new videos. Let's dive straight in. So first, how do you know a channel that is blowing up? The first one is the view count versus the number of subscribers. It is called outlier. Every time you see a channel with 1,000 subscribers getting 10,000, 20, 100,000 views, it shows that there's something there. These two niches I'm about to show you have these characteristics. Look at the number of subscribers these channels have. Look at the number of views they are getting. The second thing you need to identify a niche that is blowing up is to confirm that more than one channel is doing that same thing and getting massive results. So it's not like a particular channel has luck, but the fact that another channel does something and gets that massive number is a proof. Look at this. These are two channels doing something. And for the second niche, look at it too. You have channels doing it and getting mind-blowing figures. Now, let's go on and explore these two niches to see what they do to get these mind-blowing figures, views, subscribers, and then the revenue. Here's the first niche, history. This niche is all about telling the story of humankind, the evolution, as you can see here, a lot. Now, what's surprising is the number of views these videos are getting. Think of it. This channel started 4 weeks ago. I mean, they uploaded their first ever video 4 weeks ago. And with only 25 videos, it has gotten 126,000 subscribers. Here's their popular videos. In just 2 weeks, this video has amassed 23 million views. Look at this too. 4.9 million views in 10 days. And this, 4.3 million views in 11 days. And this, 1.6 million views in just 12 days. This is a sign that this niche is doing so well. And these are collection of AI animated videos put together that's getting this attention. Imagine that. 5 hours ago with 40,000 views. This is yet another channel that is doing exactly same thing. This one is called Prehistoric Stories. With only 3,500 subscribers and 15 videos, this channel is amassing this number of views, 192,000 in just 2 weeks. 160 something thousand views, 96,000. These are called outliers. When a small channel gets massively high number of views compared to the number of subscribers, you know that there's something about that channel, there's something about that niche that anybody who wants to blow up should jump on. So let's go down and look at their videos. Look at what they are doing. My goodness. They are basically doing something like the other channel and they're getting a lot of views. Let's look at their best performing videos. Look at this. Look at this. 194,000 views in 3 weeks. And this here is AI videos. Anybody can do this. Look at this too. This is amazing, amazing. Prehistoric stories. I've actually watched these videos and it's amazing how this niche is blowing up right now. This channel too started posting few weeks ago. As you can see here, their oldest video was uploaded 3 weeks ago. I mean, this niche is blowing up. Here comes the second niche that is blowing up right now that you should jump on if your goal is to start, grow, and monetize a YouTube channel really fast. This niche is something that captures my attention. Every time I come across these videos, I always stop and watch them because they are fun to watch. This explains why the videos are getting millions of views every time. And this niche is Talking Baby Podcast. I don't know something about this video, but it gets my attention every time I see it. I stop by to watch it. Have a look at this. Look at the videos. My goodness. Look at the videos. 1.7 million views, 1.1 million views. Look at this. I mean, this is mind blowing when you consider the fact that these are videos that were made with a click of a button. Few clicks, you have the videos ready, and then you have these massive numbers showing up on your channel. This channel has only 20,000 subscribers, but the videos are getting millions of views, which is an indication that this niche is performing well. If you learn to create this kind of videos right now, you are also going to get massive number of views on your videos. Now, this is not the only channel doing it. Let's look at yet another channel that is also creating baby podcast videos. This one here. So as you can see here, this channel has 46,000 subscribers with only 56 videos. Okay, now look at the number of views the videos are getting. 4.5 million views, 2.5, 1.5, 1.6, 1.4. My goodness. This niche is blowing up and anybody can jump on it. I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step. If you want to jump on this niche right now, after watching this video, you're going to learn exactly how to generate these videos because I'm going to point you to a full tutorial on how to learn how to generate baby talking videos. Now, interesting thing is that it's not just trending on YouTube, it's also trending on TikTok. People enjoy watching these videos and there's a whole lot you can do with this. So if you're looking to grow a YouTube channel, blow up as soon as possible and get monetized, this is definitely a niche you should jump on. Now, before you say, oh, it's only short that you can do. No, this channel here doesn't just create short. It also has long videos. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see their long videos? You can see the long videos are getting views too, like thousands of views too. And it's more like a compilation of the short ones, as you can see. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. What this means is that you can actually choose to do only short. You can do long only. You can do short and long video put together. You grow your channel really fast and start making money from your videos. This is something being talked here. This channel is generating massive number of views as well as thousands of dollars doing something. Let's talk about how you can create these videos. If you want to jump on Talking Baby podcast videos, I mean creating videos of children that are saying some amazing things that get people watching and subscribing, here is exactly how to do that. I went out of my way to do a research on how to create such videos for anyone with a smartphone. I even found out there are a lot of free apps anybody can use right now to generate these beautiful videos you are looking at. So look at this. Here are videos, tutorials, step-by-step guide, how to create viral Talking Baby podcast AI videos. As you can see this, right? You can see it's actually a step-by-step guide. If you scroll down here too, you are going to see a whole lot of other ones. How to make viral baby podcast video with free AI tools. This one is going to show you the AI tools you're going to use to create them absolutely free. I mean, you don't have to spend a dime. This one says create viral AI baby podcast in few minutes. Okay, with free tools too. Again, how to create a viral Talking Baby AI videos, fast and simple tutorial. So as you can see, there are a lot of tutorials, step-by-step guide, how you can actually go on to generate these Talking Baby AI videos right now with your smartphone and then upload them on your channel, get views and monetize your YouTube channel really fast. So if you're looking to grow a YouTube channel, these two niches help you get a lot of views, subscribers, watch hours, and get monetized as soon as possible. Not just get monetized, but also make a lot of money because these videos are generating thousands, hundreds of thousands of views. which means you're going to make a lot of money doing them. Because as you already know, how much you earn at the end of the month depends on how many views you get. As these videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views and even millions of views in a month, if you jump on this niche, first, you will grow really fast, you will get monetized, and eventually you will make a lot of money every single month. I hope this helps. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next one.